Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
We started small, but with your support, we've grown from 0 downloads to over 3 lakh downloads. Today, we have 50 plus movies, 30 plus short films, 130 plus music videos,
Analyzing our film industry, promoting our local languages, and so let's come together and celebrate this fantastic opportunity to elevate our. I invite Shri Karnat K. Sama.
Basembat nampai koran news sudah mentah ni apa kot by Marriott kemudian ke hotel ke Baponam Jong Jela ke Wadang Sian ke bala seng bala sedang dah ke serka jala lembah ketena turjem hani mentah singi dan ya koi ke program Hello Meghalaya lasi kedeka inisiatif jong kani ke serkar MDE ke belum rak ini hakini ke Khusnam iba ke jela Meghalaya kelaki kisap kipong jong ki samla hak babun kilang lagde hak film hak thau jerwai hak theater nemta ni ngidar ru yo wei na pedang ki samla na ka jala Meghalaya se bolong wei nong mina bapau hak film garu bat lawan ru ya ka borang bakhau ki jala man thau ya kawin ki film garu la se ka wadai hak jong tenrai hak jong long culture jong kajak beri guru kulu bapen I ya kajinglong kawai ya kajing I ki pat garu bar kumcu ru kum ki rilum jong kajala jingi baki ki lap nyo ikni awal hani dan wena pringinong snaf film wen kat domnik sang.
That Mama is a part of the trilogy that I'm working on. It's a part of first part of trilogy. It's about the memories it's about this old man who lost his wife 30 years back, and he wants to he always wished that he'll be with her after life, but then he had a dream, and then he realized that he don't remember his wife's face, and he's afraid that maybe he won't be able to meet her in afterlife. So the film is about how this old man tries to remember uh, about his wife in memories. It's about that. Yeah.
Can you tell something that you can elaborate what is the substance of inside of this film?
I can say Mama is a film about longing. Human beings long, they're lonely, they're this longing for other human beings, this about loneliness. So yeah, it's the core of it. It's about that. I mean, when you are saying substance of it, is I've already told you that is the substance. I don't make film which have a narrative which like a point A to point B to point C. I don't do that. I don't make that kind of film. So you have to, and if you see this film, then you have to also understand that this is not like maybe other popular film that you feel, so you got to watch it like as if you're watching a live. You got to watch it as if you're seeing somebody's stories in front of you. Maybe it's your neighbors, maybe it's somebody that is there in your village who is, it's about that old man. It could be like that. So that it's a different type of cinema, like when we see films, we always feel that film needs to be no, I mean, like a film like this can be commercialized. If somebody who is great in promoting this film, then they can commercialize.